All right, you posted your project in the Dev Post Discord. I'm going to take a look with fresh eyes. I have never seen it before and give honest feedback and reactions. I hope it is helpful for you. Let's dive in. Okay, Loopy, aboard your agents never stop working. Loopy is a local first agent operating system. Put work on a board, a governed fleet of agents watches it, does the work, and produces reviewable evidence, then learns from every run. Personal, bench, or company wide missions, 43 coding CLIs, policy approval gates all on your machine. Okay, so where are these models running? If it's local first, I'm trying to reconcile what that means. Like that implies these models would be running locally as well. And then it says 43 coding CLIs. I'm not sure what coding CLIs is, but generally, I think I get what the product is. I mean, you describe work, and a collection of agents goes and executes on the work you've described and shows you evidence. That's my understanding so far. So I think that part is clear. And then you've got this graphic and animation here. Let's see. Okay, so you enter an idea, and I didn't understand what all of that stuff was below. Let me see. Okay, so researching markets, deep scraping specs, recalling memory, codecs, Q&A or QA. Let's see. The agent work goes on a board. Agents take it from there. Okay, I think I get that part. Evidence and proof. Every run ships a diff, tests, and a summary. High risk work waits for your approve or reject. Learns every run. Playbook distills lessons from past runs and injects them into the next agent's prompt. Shipping fails in the gaps. Loopy closes them. Pick your coding agent. Okay. Ops when the build finishes. GitHub linear. Ship. For years, solo founders hired one agent and hope the next wave runs a whole company. Stack behind your agent. Research, ideation, CEO, plan, route, brand. I don't know what some of these are. It would be nice to give a deeper explanation for some of these, or let me link out to more detail. Okay, optimize for the judging rubric. Uh, I haven't seen anything specify what platforms are supported or specialized for. Is it intended to work across all platforms? Is it specialized for desktop, mobile, web services, or everything under the sun? I'm not sure. Speed of demo, tech idea, soundness, hard integration. Built to run on your machine, your keys. Okay. So here's the explanation of local by design, privacy. Your keys, your machine. Loops run entirely locally. API keys live in. Never share nodes. Okay, but it does sound like it's primarily intended to use with remotely hosted coding agents. Um, so it would be good to clarify that because it's sort of being presented as a local solution, but I think you just need to be more clear about the delineation here. What's local and what's not. All right, run a portfolio of products, multiple projects concurrent. Nebius, plans each build. See, I don't know what Nebius is. Agents, bring your own coding CLIs, Codex, Cloud, Open Code, Cursor, Spawn Code agents. Per turn, when you need spend. Okay, quick start. Clone, install, onboard loop, git clone, headless. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, see the board. Quick start. All right. I'm trying to see what other feedback I can quickly provide here. Clone on GitHub. Okay. What's what's with this specific person? It's kind of interesting. Okay. Cool. All right. I'm gonna end there. Like, hopefully that's helpful in some way. I think you got a good start here. I would. Yeah. I mean, like, there's competing services. I think. Like, I don't quite understand the local aspect. Like, I've already mentioned that. I don't understand the value or rationale behind the local first stance, especially if we're sending all of our inputs off to these remotely hosted agents or models anyways. Like, what is the benefit of the local aspect? Because it seems like that's one of the main differentiators that you're going for relative to some of the other options for doing similar things, for like orchestration of multiple agents. um, and that's kind of where my mind goes first, is like, okay, how is this different? What use cases is it really specialized for? Where is it really delivering value that is different from some of these other options? You might want to address that head on. And I'd like to see some examples of things that this tool has put out, like projects or products that have been built and deployed. That would be good to show as well. Okay, great start. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.